Hey everyone, welcome back to SkyTech TV, your number one channel where we empower you with technology. Today we are diving into the latest addition to the Infinix lineup, the Infinix Hot 40i. Whether you are looking for an affordable powerhouse or just curious about its features, stick around because we've got all details covered. Let's get started. So, kicking things off with the basics, the Infinix Hot 40i is a dual SIM phone that supports GSM, HSPA, and LTE networks. It was announced on December 5th, 2023, and it's already available for purchase. So, if you like what you see, you can get your hands on it away. Moving on to the design, the Hot 40i boasts of a sleek and modern look with dimensions of 163.6 by 75.6 by 8.3 millimeters and a weight of 190 grams. It got a glass front, a plastic back, and a stick frame, making it both sturdy and lightweight. It comes in 4 stunning colors: starlight black, palm blue, horizon gold, and starfall green. The one I'm holding is starlight black. Now, let's talk about the display. The Infinix Hot 40i features a 6.56-inch IPS LCD screen with a 90Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 480 nits, with a resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels and a screen-to-body ratio of approximately 83.6%. This phone is perfect for watching videos, browsing, and gaming. Under the hood, the Hot 40i runs on Android 14 with XOS 14, powered by the Unisoc T606 chipset. It is equipped with octa-core CPU with two 1.6 GHz Cortex-A75 and 6 1.6 GHz Cortex-A55 and a Mali G57 MP1 GPU. This setup ensures smooth performance whether you are multitasking or playing your favorite games. On top, the phone has a pre-installed ChatGPT to assist you with your AI needs. When it comes to the memory and storage, you've got options. The Hot 40i offers 3 configurations: 120GB of storage and 4GB of RAM, 128GB of storage with 8GB of RAM, and 256GB of storage and 8GB of RAM. Plus, there's a dedicated micro SD card slot if you need even more space. Photography and the assist. This one is for you. The Infinix Hot 40i is equipped with a 50 megapixel main camera along with a 0.08 megapixel auxiliary lens. It features a quad LED flash, HDR, and panorama modes and can shoot 1080p video at 30 frames rates per second. On the front, there is a 32 megapixel selfie camera with a dual LED flash, also capable of recording 1080p video at 30 frame rates per second. These are some of the selfies that I took with the Hot 40i. They are nice photos. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts on the quality of the selfies. In terms of audio, the phone has a loudspeaker and a 3.5mm headphone jack, great for music lovers. For connectivity, it includes Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and depending on your region, it has NFC. It also has an FM radio and a USB Type-C 2.0 port with OTG support. The Infinix Hot 40i comes with a side-mounted fingerprint, an accelerometer, proximity sensor, and a compass. Powering all these features is a 5000 mAh non-removable battery that supports 18 watts wired charging and reverse wired charging. So you are covered for a full day usage and then some. For the price, the Hot 40i is priced at 15,000 Kenya shilling. This will give you value for your money. And there you have it, the Infinix Hot 40i. a features-packed smartphone that offers great value for its price. Whether you are into photography, gaming, or just need a reliable device for everyday use, this phone has got you covered. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel to never miss out on any of our tech updates. Hit the bell icon so you never miss out on any of our tech content. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.